Hi, I'm Cindy, and I'm here at the M Clinic with Amanda, and we're so excited to talk to you today about the workshop that we have coming up soon, the Knowledge Gap Workshop. And we're going to be covering a lot of different topics about toxicity and the toxic world that we live in. But one of those is something that you may not even think about, and that's emotional toxicity. And I know, Amanda, you've probably seen a lot of people that have that type of toxicity and how that manifests.
Yeah, absolutely. Specifically on a nutrition level, I always tell clients, I'm like, it's not just what you eat, it's how you eat, right? So if you're going into a meal really stressed, not really thinking about your food, you're not going to start with the first part of digestion, which is basically seeing the food, smelling the food, and that stimulates our saliva to start the digestive process.
Yes.
So stress plays a huge role in how we absorb our vitamins and minerals.
Absolutely. And you know, there are also toxins, emotional toxins that we carry that from trauma, from things that we may not even remember from when we were young, and those things can have an impact on our lives day to day. And there are ways in which that you can work through that type of trauma and actually reduce that emotional toxicity that holds you back from doing everything that you want. So we'll have some risk assessment testing and some new technologies to share with you when you're here. So we look forward to seeing you soon.